Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 2nd, 2022, and I'm here showing you an anomaly in this Florida environment. This is celery, in case you needed to know. But, you know, I've read everywhere, all over the entire internet, that you cannot really grow celery in Florida. We're right on the border of zone 10A and 9B, so it gets really hot here. Right now it's like 90 something degrees outside. This is a dappled sunlight location, and the soil condition of that the celery is growing in right now is just that kind of sand. So it's just a sandy soil condition. There's absolutely no leaf material, no organic material whatsoever. We just keep this moist, and they seem to be growing just fine. I can't say they're growing fast because we planted these late last year, and here we are well into the summertime in a dappled sunlight location. So I think the rapid growth is dependent on whether or not it's getting a lot of sunlight, but also I would be hesitant to put this out in full sun because it would probably scorch them. So we're getting away with this here in the pool patio, the screened in pool patio, in pots. So going forward, I might try to grow a lot more of this celery. I'm going to do an experiment and grow it out in a dappled sunlight location in my yard, not right here in the pool patio. I want to see if it makes any kind of difference. But here we are, growing celery in Florida. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of this celery here. Have a great day.